Hello friends, I have a special news for all of you. On the 1st, 2nd and the 3rd of May 2026, meaning this year, we're going to have a really huge training. This will be happening at Movenpick Hotel, Karachi. So for those who are in Karachi, they definitely should be attending. For those who are not in Karachi, probably we might be having an online training. This is the training that will help you to enhance your communication skills. Maybe if you want to become a good public speaker, maybe this training is going to help you for that. If you find your relationships are poor, this training will help you to reflect and have that awareness on what you need to do to have a good relationship with your spouse, with your partner, with your colleagues and with your friends. And also whatever goals you've set for yourself, if you find yourself struggling on how to achieve them, on how to set them even, then this is the training for you. All in all, if you are emotionally weak, if you can't handle anger, if you can't handle stress, if you can't handle fear or phobia, then this training is going to create a remarkable difference. If you can just give 3 days out of your whole life, and if you've promised yourself growth, then this workshop is the point where you need to start. I wish you all that you join us. You can get in touch with us through email, through WhatsApp, through call, whatever is feasible for you guys. Come join this, enroll, register and join this workshop. Growth is waiting for you, breakthrough is waiting for you, and above all, we are waiting for all of you. Come join us. Thank you.